Welcome to Innova Care Concepts, where innovation meets relaxation. Let us take you on a journey to discover how we design, build, and install your stainless steel hydrotherapy pool. Our design process begins with a collaborative approach. Our expert team discuss your requirements, including pool size, materials, and additional options, helping craft a pool tailored to your specific needs. Every aspect, from dimensions to therapeutic features, are carefully considered. Our team creates detailed layouts for the pool shell, including required fittings, estimated pipework, and the initial pool schematic. After the primary design proposal has been received and approved, Innova's CAD engineer creates 3D designs of the pool shell, HVAC design, and plant room. Once the final design proposals have been submitted and approved, the construction phase can begin. Once the blueprint is perfected, our skilled craftsmen bring the design to life. The first phase consists of fabricating a welded one-piece stainless steel pool shell in the factory. With the shell fabricated, we dive into the intricate population stage. Suction and return fittings are attached, helping to circulate water, whilst the pipework ensures efficient filtration. Energy-efficient LED lights are installed, helping create an ambience that promotes relaxation. Once the fixtures have been added, it is time for water testing. Helping to check for any leaks, our team ensure your pool shell is watertight and ready for delivery. Delivering a hydrotherapy pool can be a complex process. Whether you choose to have your pool installed within an existing building or choose our pre-packed solution of a hydrospace, we aim to make the process quick and easy. Before your pool is transported, the on-site preparation takes place, with the groundworks completed to enable a concrete base to be laid down for the pool to sit on. Once the on-site preparation is completed, we safely deliver and crane your pool into position. Now that your pool is in position, the plumbing process begins, with pipes connected from the pool shell into the plant room and HVAC ductwork carried out in the pool hall. Once the pipework is connected, pressure tests are carried out, where water is physically pushed through to test for leaks. Welcome to the beating heart of your hydrotherapy pool, the plant room. Made up of several parts, our experienced team fit pumps that circulate water, filters that maintain water clarity, and dosing systems that ensure the perfect chemical balance. An environmental control unit delivers the right climate for relaxation and rehabilitation. To reduce the need for manual intervention to keep your pool clean, a BESCO valve and automatic water top-up are installed. These automate the backwashing process of the pool's filters, maintaining optimal water flow and purity. Safety is at the core of every hydrotherapy pool we design and build. To ensure that your facility is equipped to handle unexpected situations with confidence, we provide a spill kit, eye wash station, and a health and safety kit as standard. Once the plant room has been installed, it is time to test your functioning hydrotherapy pool. The first port of call is to fill the pool, where our team fill the pool up on site for water balancing tests. With the pool filled up, we test the filtration system, making sure that the chemical levels are functioning perfectly to support your care needs. We also carry out a full review of your plant room, ensuring your equipment is running at the desired parameters. Your pool is now ready to use, but to keep it in great condition, we provide comprehensive training as part of our handover service, including demonstrations on how to operate the plant equipment and daily maintenance procedures. In addition to face-to-face training, we also provide an operations and maintenance manual, enabling you to activate your warranty with our service team and access video guides and technical information on the best ways to maintain your pool. And there you have it, your hydrotherapy pool journey from concept to reality. If you are looking for a hydrotherapy solution, contact Innova Care Concepts today.